Hello guys, welcome back to Alien Programmer. So, in this video I'm going to talk about function arguments. There are three types of function argument. First is default argument, keyword argument, and third one is arbitrary argument. So let's start with default. Okay, so what is default argument? In this, the key values is gonna be default, like message is equal to default. Let's say good morning. So this is default thing. Okay, do you understand? Put colon, go to the block and then print just anything like hello and name that we passed in the argument and message. Okay, then we forgot the name of the method. Don't forget this, and just call that function with the use of someone name like cat, whatever. Then run it. Like you clearly see that hello is printed because of this, name is here, and message is default. Okay, you can change default key like this, alien, and message, write message equals how are you. देखा, this is clearly seen that hello is print because of this hello, alien is the name, and message we change the message. Okay, this is called as default argument. Then we are going for keyword argument. What is keyword argument? You already know about the keyword argument, like this. Just to pass keywords in this, name equal to something, abc, or message equal to something, xyz, then this print. So this is the keyword that pass in our function. This type of manner we can do. This is also called as one type of keyword argument. It is only a default argument, but you can change. I just tell you that you can change the default argument, and keyword argument is like this. Then arbitrary. Arbitrary means, like we know for other function, that hello function, hello, whatever name. Then this thing, put asterisk sign before the keyword. Okay, then run for name in names in name. Okay, print hello name. Okay, you know about the for loop. If you don't know about that, then go to my previous videos for for loop and just call that function like hell, and you can pass whatever name, like a, b, c, d. Okay, this whole things are print in one manner like this: hello a, hello b, hello c, hello d. It is used to store the tuple value in one method. It's called as arbitrary argument of function. Okay, so you know about the three things like default, keyword, and arbitrary. This is it from this video, and stay tuned with us. Like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alien Programmers for more videos. Thank you.